looking good.
Yeah, looking really, really good. Yum, 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 yum. We are doing shish kebabs. I have a ribeye steak that I'm going to be cutting up and marinating in some Italian dressing. And we have some mushrooms, tomatoes, some zucchini, and I'm going to try putting some potatoes on there too and see how that turns out for us. Anyhow, just real simple, nothing fancy, but anyhow, once I get them all together, I'll share it with you. Hi everybody, Shannon and Karen here with Wandering Out Yonder. Tonight I am preparing shish kebabs for Shannon and I for dinner. Nothing fancy. I'll share with you how I do it and the veggies that I use. A lot of people use different things, but for Shannon and I and the type of things that we can eat, this is what we like. So once I get them together, I'll share it with you. So I'm just chopping these up in pretty big sized chunks. That way, hopefully, they cook pretty well evenly with the meat on the skewer. And again, we just have mushrooms, zucchini, tomatoes, and I'm going to try the red potatoes on the skewers to see how they do. Don't know yet, we'll find out. Anyhow, I've pre-washed everything at home before I brought it out here. And I've already cut my beef up. I did that just a few minutes ago, and I have it marinating in an Italian dressing in this Ziploc bag. And then I cleaned everything up and started prepping my veggies. So I've never done the potatoes on the fire like this before. So what I'm going to do is I've kind of chopped them up, these little pieces. I'm going to try to put a little bit of, well, my Italian dressing, it's so cold that it's not liquid anymore.
It's like a paste.
Yeah, it's pretty cold out here. It's below 40 degrees. It's in the 30s and windy, so it's cold. Anyhow, I'm going to use a little bit of this on my potatoes and skewer them up separately, and I'm going to start those a little bit sooner. I'm going to see how that turns out. We're going to try it that way. Put them in the Ziploc bag. See if I can't get some of the marinade, the dressing marinade, or stick to them, and then skewer them up. Yeah, here's my Italian dressing. It is solid. Look at that, solid.
The oil.
Yeah, I use olive oil and some red wine vinegar and spices. But yeah, it's congealed right now. Congealed. I'm gonna attempt it and see what happens here. I won't hurt anything, but just to give them a little bit of flavor. There you go. And then I'm going to put them on a skewer and we'll see how that works out. So I brought 4 of my metal skewers from home. You can use whatever you want, I guess. I know you can buy the wooden ones at the grocery store. You do have to pre-soak those, which is a step I always forget when I have them. So I just brought my metal ones. I was like, I'm not going to go through all that. I'll just do this. But yeah, a little bit messy.
And cold. I bet you it's cold
Yeah,
on your hands.
my fingers are cold.
Thank you in advance.
For cold hands.
No, for yummy dinner at the expense of your fingers.
Okay. Alrighty. Almost done. Let's see how this turns out. I hope it turns out good. I didn't bring any sour cream or anything, so
It'll be warm. It'll be
hoping
good.
the marinade will give it some flavor. Won't just be eating potato, just potato. So we'll see. Never know. All right. So that one's ready. Whoops.
So I got what? Meat,
Yeah,
tomato,
some zucchini.
and mushrooms.
And this one's mine. Shannon does not like mushrooms. Can you believe that? Crazy girl.
More for you, right?
Yep. More for me. Oh, I'm not be able to eat all those. Okay, so there's another one. And I'll do it one for her. Now I'm going to do, I have one skewer left, so I'm just going to try to get on the zucchini, the tomatoes, and the rest of the beef. I'll try to get as much on here as I can, put it to you that way. Don't lose the beef. Nope, 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 nope. Let me try that one. And there we go. Just keep spinning them. Looks good. Looking forward to dinner. Potatoes are working out. It's taking them a bit longer than the beef skewers, but we think they're going to turn out okay. So
I'm hungry. They're gonna be okay.
yeah, they're going to have to be okay.
We got some cooking going on.
Yeah, looking really, really good. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so potatoes are done and in the bowls. Now the skewers are done. We're going to get those in the bowls. Is that one mine?
This is really good.
Okay, so we have finished the skewers and they are in our big bowls that we have. And Shannon is going to build up the fire and we're just going to sit here and enjoy our meal. buddy. You're beautiful. Look at that pretty face. Look at your pretty face. They are beautiful, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
That was an apple. Those are apples. That's why they're hanging out here. Yeah, buddy, an apple. Awesome. I know. You'll find it. There it is. Yeah. Yeah, baby, an apple. That's like their favorite thing. An apple tree. Look at all the apples up there. Man, I could go up here and shake them down for them. That's what they're hanging out here for. You know how many more apple trees there are out here. That's good stuff. So thanks everybody for joining us wandering out yonder tonight as we prepared our campground meal here at Shenandoah National Park. And you can see behind you,
We got company.
yeah, these guys hang out pretty much all day long, going from tree to tree and site to site. So they've had a pretty good day of meals, I think.
We're out walking with our tea.
Yeah, we're doing our tea walk. So we just wanted to say thanks for watching, and we hope you guys will join us again. See you later. Bye. And the deer are just everywhere out here. I think they're quite used to people. They don't seem too skittish around you. They have such pretty faces.